Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft fully automatic washer and the Mini 16L Foldable washer. Today, we'll explore their features, usability, and how they cater to different laundry needs. Whether you're living in a small apartment or traveling, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft offers a significant advantage with its 1.6 cubic feet capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads of laundry, making it ideal for small households. In contrast, the Mini 16L Foldable washer, while ultra-portable, has a much smaller capacity of 16 liters, which is suitable for delicate items or small loads, but may not meet the needs of larger laundry tasks. In terms of portability, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft is relatively heavy at 79.4 pounds, making it less convenient for transport despite its wheels. On the other hand, the Mini 16L Foldable washer is incredibly lightweight at just 4.5 pounds and can be easily folded down to a compact size, making it perfect for travel and storage in tight spaces. Functionality is another key difference. The COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft boasts a fully automatic operation with 6 wash programs, making it versatile for various laundry needs. In contrast, the Mini 16L Foldable washer offers basic manual operation with 3 timed modes, which may limit its effectiveness for more demanding laundry tasks. In conclusion, both the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft and the Mini 16L Foldable washer serve unique purposes in the realm of portable laundry solutions. The COMFEE is ideal for those needing a robust washing machine for regular use, while the Mini 16L is perfect for those on the go. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.